Hi everybody, good morning. How is everyone keeping? Actually, I went to Big Bazaar yesterday to do my vegetable shopping, the routine one, and I guess what I found? I found this. I've not had this vegetable since quite some time. It is a vegetable from Meghalaya, and do you know what it is called? Oh wow. It's called chow chow. It's very tasty. I think it is from the family of petha, tinda, karela, lauki. I think it is grown in Meghalaya and it is very yummy, very crunchy, very tasty. So to retain the taste of this vegetable, I'm going to make it in a very simple way. It is made a lot in South India, in Kerala, in South India. So let us make this vegetable called chow chow. Now the ingredients that I require to make this vegetable are I will require 1 to 2 pieces of chow chow, 2 pieces of garlic, that is optional. I like to add garlic to all my vegetables, 3 to 4 red chilies, 3 to 4 green chilies. Then I will need coconut, half grated coconut, little bit of tamarind juice and coriander leaves, that's all, and oil. Coconut oil or sesame oil or any cooking oil. Peel the skin from the vegetable and now cut it into two. You will see a seed inside, remove that seed and then cut it into small pieces. You can see the seed, remove that seed and then cut it into small pieces. I have removed the seed. This is the seed. And now I will chop it into small pieces. I have cut it into small pieces. Now let us begin with the preparation of this chow chow sabji. You know what my father used to say when I used to make this vegetable? He used to say chow mau pau, chow mau pau. I want to eat chow mau pau. Take a thick bottom pan. Now add 1 tablespoon of oil to this. Oil is of your choice. Whichever oil you use in the house, cooking oil you can use, even coconut oil you can use. 1 tablespoon. Once it heats up, then add mustard seeds. Add 1 teaspoon of jeera. Mix it up. Add garlic. Now add haldi. Add salt as per taste. Add jeera powder, dhania powder. And dege mirchi, Kashmiri mirchi, that is just to give it a nice color. Add chow chow, mix all the masalas, let it fry for some time and then add half a cup of water and cover it and let it simmer in water until it becomes semi-soft. Add water, keep it on slow flame and cover it. It will take around 5 to 10 minutes, maybe even 15 minutes to soften up. I have covered it and I am keeping it on medium flame, not slow because then it will take very long. On medium flame, around 10 minutes. In between 2 to 3 times come and stir it just to check how it is doing. The water has dried up almost after 10 minutes and the pieces are also cutting nicely. I don't want to make it very soft, little crunchiness should be there, see. So it is done. Now take 2 to 3 big pieces of coconut and the green chili and red chili which I had kept aside and grind that to paste and add it to this. Add 1 teaspoon of imli paste and mix it up, and now add the ground coconut and chilies and then put it off. Grind to paste 2 to 3 pieces of coconut and red chili and green chili as per taste, and add this to the vegetable and then stir it for 2 to 3 minutes and then put it off. Mix this up properly, stir it for 2-3 minutes and then put off the gas. The vegetable is done. Chow chow is ready to serve. You can serve it with puri, you can serve it with bhakri, you can serve it with jawar ki roti or even rice, steamed rice with little ghee. I have sprinkled little spring onion leaves and I am putting off the gas. Thank you for watching my video. Do make this dish. It is a very yummy, delicious dish. Nowadays this vegetable is available everywhere in the market. It is called chow chow. And it is a very delicious, yummy, something different from the usual that we make. Thank you for watching my video. Do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot. God bless you. Have a good day.